The University of Nottingham was way ahead of its time when it established campuses in Malaysia and China. We're proud of the iconic buildings and rolling parklands that we've created in 3 nations. But back then the IT revolution had hardly started. We knew nothing of Facebook, cloud computing. We didn't have iPads or smartphones. Our IT infrastructure was built for that different age. The 3 campuses still have separate systems and IT accounts, and this is why Nottingham Global doesn't always feel like one community. It can be hard to remember who's who and keep up with the news. Information is buried in so many workspaces, shared drives and portals it can be impossible to find. And moving between campuses can be bumpy too, because IT accounts don't work for you as you'd expect. We're going to fix these problems bit by bit with our Smarter Computing programme. We're going to build one digital campus, just as beautiful as the physical ones. And at the heart will be Office 365, a set of everyday tools for communicating and sharing stuff that comes from the cloud. Outlook email and calendaring will look familiar, but there'll be new tools too. Email is a bit limited, a bit last year. We'll use Skype for meetings and seminars, and we'll use Yammer for social networking to track the rich conversations which make us one community. We'll use SharePoint to build our intranet and team sites, OneDrive to store files in the cloud that can be reached from any device, and OneNote to keep notes and stay organised. Every day we'll start with a visit to My Day, the gateway to our digital campus. From here you'll link to email, your calendar, the other Office 365 tools and links that you use every day, and we'll signpost all digital resources from here. It'll be a place to come back to hear the latest news. And you'll be able to access My Day as a smartphone app too. We're a big, diverse community. We have laptops, tablets, and smartphones of every description. Well, embrace this. Some schools teach intensively with specialist applications that can only be reached from university computers. But those rigidly configured computer rooms aren't always great for learning. We need more flexibility. So we'll make software accessible for students using their own devices if we can. We're not all digital natives or geeks. Nearly all of us need help and a few signposts to get started with new technologies. We're going to build smart IT centres that you can drop into to get help, to try things out. We'll create video clips and online guides. We'll also be looking for champions and pioneers to lead the way, especially from among our student community. And we'll be asking for open minds and a little bit of effort from everyone. There are some things we need to do to make all this possible. We need to change the way that IT accounts are created. Each of us needs one identity and one IT account which gets us into systems wherever we are. Fixing this is going to be a bit complicated and take a while. We need the new student information system that Project Transform is building to give us that definitive data about our students. And we need much smarter ways of managing accounts for associates. We need one wireless network everywhere called Eduroam. And once you're set up to use Eduroam on one campus, you should connect automatically in China and Malaysia or Nottingham, even in student accommodation, in the Nottingham hospitals, and at other universities worldwide. So, we've got a lot to do, and it's going to take energy and commitment, but we need to do this. There is a smarter way. We need one global digital campus which is personal and exciting and creates a sense of belonging. We need to put students at the heart of it and meet their changing expectations. And we need to provide a leading edge environment for digital research. So please look out for the information about our Smarter Computing programme. Be open and supportive as we take each challenging step together. This is going to be a journey worth travelling.